Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add GIFs to your Instagram story. If you are using Instagram and you want to add GIFs to your Instagram story, so let's see how can you do that. Very first, I recommend you how to try to update your Instagram app to prevent issues. So open your App Store or Play Store and go for search. You have to search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find any pending updates, you have to try to update your app. After updating, go back. Open your Instagram app, then tap on their plus story option and select your camera option here. Select story. If you want to add a GIF, so very first you have to take a photo here and then you have to tap on this draw option. Select a background, keep a long press. And once you get this type interface, just tap on done, then tap on sticker option here. Select GIF. And you just have to select any GIF which you want to set as your own story. So just wait for it until the GIF loads. And here once the GIFs are loaded, you just have to select any GIF which you want to send. For example, I'm going to select this one. Once you have selected, you can resize it or you can move it on your screen. You can resize it using your two fingers or you can also reshape it if you want. And once you have done, just tap on this share to your story option and it will be shared as your own Instagram story. So in this way, you can easily add GIFs to your Instagram story. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.